Okay, great designers in the house. God bless you. This is the voice of Dr. Tam K. Alright, so we're going to start another tutorials this morning. And this tutorial going to involve us designing a poster of this nature, right? Now, the truth is, most of these things we do, right, will help you to know to become a professional graphic designer. That's the essence, right? So you need to know little here and there like that. Before you know, you become an expert. You become a professional graphic designer. And we're using our beloved Canva. All right, Canva Pro for that matter. So if you want to know how to get Canva Pro account, like I've told you before, get in touch with me, because Canva Pro or Canva as a software, designing a graphic designing software, is the best so far globally. Yeah, come and prove me wrong. Okay, it's the best so far. You can do a lot of stuff with Canva Pro account. There are a lot of things. Just wait back and see what we're going to be doing. As long as you're with me in my class, in my tutorship, right? You're going to see a lot of things going to be coming up. I'm going to be giving them to you, bit by bit, bit by bit, bit by bit. So if you don't have Canva Pro account, make sure you reach out to me so can help you to get one that can last you for like 3 years plus. All right. And if you also want to start selling Canva Pro account to others, what are you waiting for? Come around. Let's show you how you can be able to generate Canva Pro accounts and then start selling to others. I mean, genuine Canva Pro accounts. Okay, not those ones that they're going to start misleading and to start telling you stories, right? This one is genuine one. And you can keep on generating as many as possible that you can be selling to as many persons as possible anywhere in the world, all right? So if you're interested, please reach out to me and let's see how we can help you to get to that, okay? All right, so without wasting too much of our time, let's go straight and see how we can get this kind of poster, right? Something like this, all right? Something of this nature. We can also have something like this too. All right, so which one is actually the best? All right, okay, guys, what I want to do right now, okay, may not be exactly like this, but we're going to do something close to this. So follow me as we go to Canva, our beloved Canva, and get this poster done. Are you ready? Let's go and get it done. Follow me. So go to Canva, click on create, and then let's use Instagram poster. All right, yeah, let's use this poster. Let's use this one particular one, poster. So when it come up, this is the canvas. I've told you that before. Drag this to pull down, all right? And then when you have done this, go to element. I've already got all my stuff ready. I've told you before you design, make sure you have everything ready, okay? I'm going to look for a sportsman without dress or something like that, okay? So I got this particular one, all right? I tap it and then bring it down here. Fill up the space. Fill up the space like this, all right? Something like that, okay? Okay, if you want to make it bigger than that, good and fine. Then just tap it and remove the background. Just remove background. Okay, if you're using Canva Pro, one hand. If you're using Canva Pro, that is taken care of. So when that is done, when you have removed the background, the next thing you're going to do is to click on text and let's use spot. Type the word spot. All right, good. Now click on the text, rotate it to 90 degrees. 90 degrees. All right, then extend. All right, bring it down this way. All right, bring it down somewhere like this. Okay, yeah, something of this nature. And then what you're going to go to effect, and then let's use okay, no, before effect, go to fonts. Let's go to fonts. I want to use Archivo Black, my beloved favorite Archivo Black font for this kind of design. All right, we're going to do something like this and then express it out. Make sure everything is on one line. Okay, do this. Make sure it's on one line, right? Very good. Something like that. Okay, so what I'm going to do, go to text. Let's use for shape. Go to shape and let's use a rectangular shape like this. And then turn it to white. Turn to white and then bring it down here. Okay, bring it down something like this. Okay, place it on this way. Nice one, right? Very good. So make sure is well aligned. Alignment is very important. Okay, make sure it's well aligned. Okay, so having done that, go back to your shape again, turn it to white again. All right, and then let's drag this, rotate this to fill up here to cover this part of the design. Rotate it very well, extend. You can do the aligning all through, right? You can just do something of this nature. All right, having done that, just tap, duplicate, rotate again, rotate it to cover this part. Okay, the rotating is not well aligned. Okay, bring it down here like this. All right, okay. So having got this, all right, I'm going to go to, having done this, let's go to elements and let's go to frames. Go to frames and let's look for letter S. I'm going to spell spot, right? Okay, pick up this one, position it very well. Just keep it somewhere. All right, yeah, keep it somewhere like this. I'm going to go forward. The next one is P. Remove that and get P. So grab this P, letter P, bring it down here also. Make sure that they're well aligned, all right? Okay, so I'll do all of that. I'll get back to you. Hold on. All right, so I've gotten letter S-P-O-R-T, spots, right? Having done this, tap on the letter T, then click on these three dots here, and you're going to see select multiple. Click on select multiple, and then click on letter R, letter O, letter P, all right, and then letter S. Click them together like that. Okay, then you have grouped them, right? In that way you can now drag them along together. Okay, just follow me. So what you can do now is to take everything, like you can see that it has been grouped together. So what you do, you can align it, rotate it to 90 degrees, all right, and then quickly remove this one. Now let's remove this first. Keep this one here, and then so having grouped them together, right, just bring it down here. Okay, yeah, can just bring it up this way. Yeah, all right, so having done that, what you can do is pick up this particular image, go back to where you have them, all right, go back to this image, right, and then you can pick it up, place it on letter S. You can put that here, you see, S, and then go back, pick it up, and then put it on letter O. All right, you keep on doing all of that until you do all of that. Okay, just hold on and let me quickly do that. All right, so I've done putting all of them, the image on the letters, okay, on the frames. Okay, having done that, you can see this is grouped together, right? So it cannot remove. So make sure you're aligned. After you have well aligned it, okay, what you can do now is you can tap on it. You can tap on first and letter S, okay, and you can work on the image that you want to appear on that particular letter. You can see that that's cropping. You can crop it that way. You can click on letter S or letter P rather, and do the same. All right, just tap it twice, and then you can drag the image with the part that you want to reflect on the part on the frame. You can do that. You see that? You can do all of that to all of the letters, and when you are done, you align it. Okay, you just align. Make sure it's well aligned. All right. Okay. All right. So the next you can do is to click on this letter, this text, right? This one we got here. What you go do? Go come over to your effect. All right. You can. Okay. Now let's do it this way. Let's do it this way. All right. Remove this first. Let's remove this, and then this is actually nice, but look at what I want to do. Go to your element, take your shape, turn that to red. I want to turn that to red color. All right, and then go to transparency, reduce the transparency of that one. All right, something like after I've done that, just work on the shape, bring it to the eye, the first eye here. All right, something like that, and then go back there and pick up a line, okay, rotate it, click on line and rotate to 90 degrees, and then drag to this way. Yes, drag to this way. You can extend it, can try to extend it. Very good. And then turn the color of the stroke to what? Red. Turn it to red. Okay, we are done. Now what I can do is to duplicate this. Just drag with the two ends, do this, all right, and then duplicate. Click on duplicate down here. All right, and then bring it up, and then go get the element. Oh, sorry, go to text this time around, and let's type spot. Add the heading and type spot, and then what you can do, rotate this part. Okay, rotate this part to 90 degrees. Okay, and then extend, bring it down here. Okay, to be on top of that, the first text you have got in there. All right, you can work on it. All right, now go to effect. Go to effect and then go to hollow. All right, you can see that. Click on hollow again. All right, you can do this, all right, on hollow, and then you can actually change this to white color. Yeah, you can change the color to white. Okay, you can change this to white. Very good. And then bring it up here. You can see that, to have a nice effect on it. You can see that. All right, so you can decide to go to your nudge and work on it. All right, you can go to your nudge to work on it. So this is another pattern. You can take this down here. All right, duplicate again, and then bring it up the third one. This time around, instead of using hollow, right, I can decide to use go back to effect, and let's use this time around. Let's go use the outline. You can use outline. Click on outline, turn the color to white. All right, turn the color to white, this white color. All right, so then you can bring it up this way again. All right, and this time around you go to position and send it backward. All right, and then drag to work on it to make it look like, you know, a layer under that, right? Something of this nature. Okay, guys, we are good. So what can you do now? You can start to add your logo, add your brand display here and all of that, so that it can look unique, and we are done for the day. Guys, can you see that? So let me quickly add my logo and all of that, okay, and come back to you. Just hold on. So this is my logo, right? But I want to make the edges to be round edges, so I'll just tap on the logo, go down here to corners, click on corners, and then drag this in. You can see that it becomes round. You can see that round shape if you want it to be that way, okay, something like that. All right, so we are good to go. Then what I will do, position it very well. All right, something like that, well aligned. Then come to text, go to text, and then I can go to write DWOCO designs. All right, when I do that, I'll bring it down here to this bottom part, turn the text to black, so that it will be easy for one to see. And then I'm going to duplicate my text here, make my logos a little bit small, and have it in front this way. All right, I'll do that, all of that, and we are good to go, guys. So this is how you actually do this nature, right? So if you like what I'm doing, click like, comment, drop a comment, okay, and then get to us so that you can join our Canva graphic design class, all right, and do a lot of stuff we are doing here, right? So guys, make sure you subscribe, and then you're sharing this with your loved ones, okay? Thank you and God bless you. I'm going to see you in the next class. This is Dr. Sam K. I'll be out for now. Bye.